If Gmail is showing a 403 error, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through the most reliable fixes step by step. This issue can happen because of browser problems, corrupted cookies, multiple Google account conflicts, or permission issues with an app or mail client. The good news is that you can usually fix it without needing any advanced technical skills. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and try Gmail in an incognito window. On most browsers, you can do this by clicking the three dots in the top corner and choosing New Incognito Window or New Private Window. Once the private window opens, go to mail.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account. This is an important first test because incognito mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browsing session. If Gmail works here, then the issue is very likely related to your normal browser session, extensions, or stored data. If you still see the 403 error, that's okay. Just move on to the next fix. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Go back to the browser menu, click the three dots again, and look for Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Then click Clear Data. After that, fully close and reopen your browser. Then go back to Gmail and check again. Cached files and broken cookies can often cause sign-in problems and access errors, so this step fixes a lot of Gmail 403 cases. Now let's handle a very common cause, multiple Google account conflicts. If you're signed into several Google accounts at the same time, Gmail can sometimes get confused and block access. To fix that, open accounts.google.com in your browser, click your profile picture, and sign out of all accounts. Once you are fully signed out, sign back in using only your primary Gmail account first. After that, try opening Gmail again and see if the error is gone. If you need other accounts later, add them back one at a time, so you can confirm which account is causing the issue, if any. Now, if you're using Gmail through another app or mail client, the problem may be related to app permissions or API access. Open myaccount.google.com/permissions and look for the app or mail client that is having trouble. Remove access for the affected app or email program, then reconnect it and grant permissions again. This refreshes the connection and clears out any broken authorization that may be triggering the 403 error. It's especially useful if Gmail works in the browser but fails inside Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, or another email app. After reconnecting, test Gmail one more time to make sure the issue is resolved. If the error is still there, repeat the steps carefully in order because one of these fixes usually solves the problem. And just to be safe, always make sure you are signing into the correct Google account and using a supported browser version. If this tutorial helped you fix the Gmail 403 error, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.